This is the Chicago Electric 100-pound capacity welding cart. It's been on sale at Harbor Freight for about 100 years. And this is my 5-year review. Let's go. I'm sure you've all seen this before. It's typically advertised around 40 bucks and it's frequently listed on their coupons. But is it worth it to get this? Well, I can say after 5 years of ownership, this thing's still rolling around. It's a little creaky, but still does the job. Every now and then you might have to go through and tighten up a bolt or two, but no big deal, right? So on this cart, I have my trusty 90 amp Chicago Electric flux core machine that I've had for a long time. I also have my 95 amp stick welder from Clark that I bought at a Sears appliance store. Yeah, that actually used to be a thing. Rest in peace, Sears. I actually got this welder when I was 15. Not gonna tell you how many years ago that was though. And the middle shelf, I got your typical welding stuff. I got a couple things of MAP gas. Got the hammer, I got some stick electrodes, got more here, got a couple brushes, you know, your essential stuff. It also has nice hooks on either side for hanging stuff and wrapping up cords. The funny thing though is this storage shelf on the back. Let me explain. You see, the stock photo for this cart shows these two chains hanging on the back that you would think would be for storing gas bottles. But as you can see, here's one bottle of acetylene and here's my bottle of oxygen. Definitely not both fitting on there. But the shelf can still be useful. I mean, if you have a box of welding tools, I guess you could put... No, I guess you can't. Wait, but if you're gonna run a plasma cutter on this, you could put your air compressor... Nope, nope. I know what it's for, guys. You've had a long day on the job and you don't feel like walking back to your truck. In all seriousness, it holds me pretty well. No, all joking aside, I think it's a really good light duty cart. For 40 bucks, you really can't beat that. For light duty use in a garage like I do it, hey, why not? I have 2 welders on there, all my crap, and it served me well for a long term. So I think it's a pretty good buy for light use. Thank you guys for watching.